In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on Axi Broker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab inside your dashboard, and then here under Accounts, you want to switch over to Demo, and you want to click on Get Started. From here, you want to select your trading platform, either MT5 or MT4. Then you have 3 different account types. Select whichever one you want. I'm just going to click on Standard. I'm going to click on Create Account, and then here you have to also select your account currency, for which I'm going to do USD. I'm going to press Continue, and then it's going to ask you how much virtual funds or paper money you would like to trade with. I'm going to do 100K USD, then I'm going to press Continue. And there we go, we have to leverage. This one is the only one. I'm going to press Continue again. And then you have to make up a password for your account. So I'm just going to basically put in my own. There we go. Make sure you remember this because you're going to need it, and then click on Continue again. And that way, as you can see, you've successfully done an application for a demo account. You can do Continue to Dashboard, and over here, you can see you have your demo account, and it's currently pending. And whenever it's approved, you'll be able to then get your demo account that way. If you want to add new ones, click on Add New Account, go through the same process, and you've got yourself your demo account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.